This right here should be a review, but we're going to take notes. The first question says, what is an ordered pair? So an ordered pair is a method used to locate a point on a coordinate plane. An ordered pair is represented with X and Y. Okay. On a coordinate plane, we have 4 quadrants. Sorry, I can't write on this. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Quadrant 1 is plus plus, quadrant 2 is minus plus, quadrant 3 is minus minus, and quadrant 4 is plus minus. When I look at my X and my Y coordinates, the X goes right or left, and the Y goes up or down. This is the X coordinate. That is the Y coordinate. Okay, sorry, that's so messy. Pause it so you can get that written down and then move on to the next part. Okay, we're just going to plot these points. This is a -4, -5, so it's going to be over here, in quadrant 3, because it's our negative negative. I'm going to go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -4, 5. For 0, -3, that is not going to be in a quadrant because 0 is our first number. So it's going to be on the line. So if we're going 0 left and right, means we don't go any left and right. -3 is our up and down. It's -3, so we're going to go down. 1, 2, 3. So 0, -3. Be sure to remember whether you go up or down, left or right, and what your 0 is. The first slope I'm going to talk about is a positive slope. So put this note under whichever one you glued the positive onto. So I want you to draw a line on your graph, a positive slope. This arrow right here is always pointing towards the plus plus. Okay? That's a positive slope. And then how can I tell if a line has a positive slope? Well, it's increasing from left to right. So the value of y increases as x increases. And we see that because we see as my x goes up, my y goes over. X up, y over. That arrow goes that way. Next is our negative slope. And that one is going to be pointing that way. So how do I know? How can I tell if it's a negative slope? It's going to be decreasing from left to right. It's going down. And so it means that y decreases as x increases. And we know that because I'm going down, so y is decreasing, but I'm going over in a positive way. So it'll be going down in the plus minus box. Okay? And think of it like as you get older, you gain weight. So that is a positive slope because they're both going up, your age and your weight. And if we can think of something with a negative slope, and when I think of negative slope, I think of money. So as time, the longer I'm at the grocery store, so the time is getting longer, the less money I have because I'm spending it, right? Okay. We're going to talk about no slope. No slope is a horizontal line. Okay? It means it goes side to side. And the y values are the same. Meaning if it touches the y here and it touches the y here, they're all the same value. Okay, that means it has no slope. It's just a straight line, no slope. If it is a vertical line, this is an undefined slope. It means it's a vertical line. Means it goes up and down. And it means my x values are the same. All right, that should be enough notes. Now you should be able to do all the activities. Be sure to read the board to see how to do each different section on your practice pages.